Hey everybody, meteorologist Ahmed Badji here. We've been, of course, tracking this winter storm that's moving into tomorrow. Might as well call it the impending winter storm at this point. The issues, of course, we've been talking about this a lot, are really not just the fact that we're going to be watching for snowfall. You're actually going to be watching for those strong winds. When it comes to the snow amounts, we're looking at about a 2 to 4 inch amount down in Monroe, which is really not that bad in the grand scheme of things, right? But that's the thing. Don't let that fool you, because as the wind picks up, it starts to blow around. Now, the more it gets a chance to drift, it gets a chance to get underneath those tires of yours and start to create those drifts on the roadway. It only takes 1 or 2 inches to start doing that, and we're looking at the lowest amount in those southern counties around that 2 to 4 mark. 3 to 6 throughout the rest of the area before you get to 4 to 8 from areas like Brighton all the way up toward south of Lapeer and into parts of Sanilac County as well. And northwest of that line, actually, that's where you start to get a good 6 to 10 inches possible mixing on in as you go northwest of our area. The downside is in southeast Michigan, we're looking at the potential for some of the strongest wind gusts, well above that 50-mile-an-hour mark as possible for us. And if we stay with sustained winds for more than 3 hours over 35, that would mean that we're looking at that chance for some isolated blizzard conditions. So the true recommendation is, if you do not need to travel, don't. You need to make sure that you just kind of hunker down, enjoy the warmth inside your home, of course, and if you do not need to travel, then just hold tight, because this is going to be an issue all the way into Saturday. We're going to be keeping an eye on things here, of course, with CBS Detroit. We're going to have an update. We have a live blog on our website, cbsdetroit.com. It's the first story you see, and we are constantly updating that all the way through the day tomorrow and even into Saturday. We'll have all the updates there for you to make sure that you are informed. Remember, it's not about being scared. It's about being prepared. So thanks for sticking with us, and we'll keep you updated on everything that happens here with this coming winter storm.